Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you again to all my current subscribers. You guys are great. You're making this channel happen. And in record time, I'm at about 370 subscribers right now. 370. So if you want to be my 371st subscriber, click that subscribe button right now and you can be number 371. But thank you guys so much for all the subscribes, all the likes, the thumbs up, all the commenting. You guys are really making this channel happen for me, and I appreciate that very, very much. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because I am always reviewing watches all the time. I am Dave the Watchman, and I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So today I have something a little special, and honestly, this kind of goes above the budget as far as most of my other watches are concerned, because this watch is a little bit more expensive than some of the other watches that I do review. I usually like to keep my watches under the $100 price range, usually in a lot of cases even below $50, just to try and show you guys what you can get for a really, really good price. But guys, I went to a jeweler the other day and I saw this Seiko, and I really loved it. So I had to get one. And I did find it on Amazon, and it is a little bit less expensive on Amazon, but I will post a link to that in the description below. The list price on this was $425, but you won't believe the price that I got it for on Amazon. So I will be posting that in the description below, so you guys can head on over to Amazon and pick one up for yourself. I am going to get into the review, and today we have a beautiful Seiko GMT. The model number on this is an SSK019J1. Okay, and it's a Seiko GMT. Like I said, the list price on this was 400 and, well, I'm sorry, I think I quoted it wrong earlier. It's $475 is the list price on this. But I found a much better deal on Amazon. And like I said, I will post a link to that deal on Amazon so you guys can take advantage of that. But yes, I saw this at a jeweler the other day and I was just amazed by it. I had to have one, and here it is. It is a very, very beautiful, beautiful watch. I honestly, I can't say enough good things about this watch. I mean, it's amazing. The quality on this thing, the Seiko, is just they're a great quality watch. I mean, it's got the exhibition case on the back. It's got the GMT function. It's such a smooth bezel. I mean, it's like butter. I mean, it's so smooth. The only thing that I don't like about it is it's unidirectional, or bidirectional instead of unidirectional. I would rather just have it going in one direction, but guys, it is such a pleasure to turn this thing. I mean, it is so smooth. You would not believe how smooth it actually is. It is such a nice watch. Even, I mean, just winding this thing is a pleasure. I mean, just turning the winding crown is just so nice. The magnified date window, the date just format, just sweeping second hand, beautiful, beautiful quality all around with this watch. Just amazing. I still haven't even taken off the protection on the clasp. The only other thing that I would have preferred on this watch for the price is I wish it would have had a milled clasp. I just think the milled clasps are so much nicer than these flat metal ones that they put on this one. So I mean, I think that's kind of where the only place where I think they fell short for the price. But other than that, it is a beautiful, beautiful watch. I still have not worn it yet. I haven't sized it. The bracelet is very, very tight and wonderful. It's got the screw-in adjustment pins, the security clasp. Just a very, very nice watch all around. just, it's beautiful. My only complaint is the clasp on this thing. It's got the flat metal pressed clasp, and I would have much preferred a milled clasp, because like I said, I mean, you've got this this watch here, this T engine, which is also a GMT watch, and it's got a stainless steel milled clasp, and this Seiko doesn't even have that. They both have an exhibition case. This one's obviously a full automatic, and this one's a hybrid automatic. But guys, you know, it's a beautiful, beautiful watch. I mean, when you compare the two, I mean, you can feel the quality in the Seiko right away. I mean, the bezel on this thing is nice to turn. I actually do like this bezel a little bit better because it's unidirectional instead of bidirectional. This one is bidirectional, which doesn't kind of make as much sense, considering you really don't want a dive bezel to go backwards, because it could mean that you're losing time. But either way, I mean, it's just a very, very satisfying watch. It's very comfortable. It's beautiful looking. It's very well made. Great quality on these Seikos. I have not sized it yet, so the band is extraordinarily long at this point, because I have not removed any links from it. But guys, it's just a beautiful watch all around. These Seikos, they're very, very good quality watches, and for the price, you can't complain with this watch. I will definitely be posting a link to the Amazon listing for this watch, so you guys can get a great deal on it. Much less than $475, much less than even $425. But I believe this thing right now on Amazon is $357. $357. I mean, you're not going to find a dealer or a jeweler that's going to have this watch brand new for $357. It's just not going to happen. So if you guys want to head on over to Amazon and pick one of these guys up, I will post the affiliate link below so you guys can do that. And that affiliate link does send a couple of dollars over to me if you decide to buy this watch. I would definitely appreciate it if you clicked on that affiliate link. So basically, I mean, I don't really have a lot of bad things to say about it other than the clasp on it. I would have much rather have preferred a milled clasp, and I would have preferred a sapphire crystal. But you can't beat Seiko quality. I mean, it is just beautiful, and the craftsmanship that goes into any and all of these Seikos is just amazing. So if you do like this content, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, because I will be coming at you with some more watch review videos. I get watches in every single day. I am not a jeweler. I am just a guy who likes his watches. I like to buy them, I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, and this is a budget-friendly GMT made by Seiko. It is a beautiful, beautiful watch for a really good price. But stay tuned to my videos. If this is out of your price range, most of the videos that I do and most of the watches that I do review are in the $35 to $50 to $100 range. I typically don't go over $100, but I just made an exception when I saw this thing. I just kind of fell in love with it when I saw it at the jeweler, and I had to pick it up. So just wanted to share this with you guys. And like I said, if you do like this content, please like, subscribe, give that thumbs up. It really does help out the channel. And if you want to pick one of these up, the link is below in the description. So head on over to Amazon and pick one of these guys up while the price is still that low. Till next time, I am Dave the Watchman, and I will see you guys in the next watch review video. You guys have a great day.